Hi, welcome to my channel. For today's tutorial, I'm gonna use my 5.5 millimeter crochet hook and this yarn. This is the brand Yarn B and Soft and Sleek. You can buy this at Hobby Lobby, but you can use any yarn you have at home. We make our slip knot and we are gonna make chains. We chain 1 and 2 and then repeat 1 and 2 and then repeat 1 and 2. So just continue making your chains in multiples of 2. Once you have your multiples of 2, you're gonna add 4 more chains. 1, 2, 3, and 4. That means that the multiples is 2 plus 4. We skip these 4 chains we just made. 1, 2, 3, 4, and in chain number 5 we make a double crochet. We close 2 and then the last 2. That is a double crochet, so we have 2 counting these 4 chains. Yarn over, go to the next chain, go in, grab yarn and go out. 3 loops on the hook, close 2 and then close the other 2. Repeat into the next chain and repeat into the next chain. We are gonna make 1 double crochet in each chain until we get to the end. We finished row number 1, making 1 double crochet in each chain until we reach the end. Now for row number 2, we make 1 chain and turn. Into the first stitch, we go in, grab yarn and go out. 2 loops on the hook and close. We made a single crochet. Yarn over, into the next stitch, go in, grab yarn and go out and pull a little but don't close. Yarn over, insert into the same stitch, grab yarn and go out. Now we have 5 loops on the hook. Yarn over and close all the 5 loops, and then into the next stitch, go in, grab yarn and go out. 2 loops on the hook and close. We made a single crochet. And then we repeat. Yarn over into the next stitch, go in, grab yarn and go out. 3 loops on the hook but don't close. Yarn over into the same stitch, we repeat. 5 loops on the hook, yarn over and close. Into the next stitch, we make a single crochet. Yarn over into the next stitch, we repeat. 5 loops on the hook and close. Into the next stitch, we make a single crochet. This is the sequence we're going to repeat for row number 2. Once we reach the end, into the last stitch, which is this chain, we make a single crochet. And this is what we have making these 2 rows, row 1 and row 2. For row number 3, we are going to repeat row number 1. So chain 1, turn the row, and then into the first stitch, we make a single crochet, and then we chain 2. This single crochet in these 2 chains equals 1 double crochet. Now we have the back loop and the front loop. Back loop, front loop, back loop, front loop. We are gonna grab back loop only, like this, and then we make a double crochet. Yarn over into the next stitch, grabbing only the back loop, and make a double crochet. Into the next stitch, back loop only and double crochet. Yarn over into the next stitch, back loop only and double crochet. Repeat into the next stitch, and we are going to continue making 1 double crochet in each stitch, grabbing only the back loop. Once we get to the end, for the first stitch and then the last stitch, we grab both loops, not only the back but the front and the back too. So yarn over, we grab both loops and finish with a double crochet. So we finish row number 3, repeating row number 1. For row number 4, we are going to repeat row number 2, chain 1 and turn the work into the first stitch, single crochet, yarn over, go into the next stitch, go out, yarn over, go into the same stitch, go out, 5 loops on the hook and close. Into the next stitch, make a single crochet. Into the next stitch, repeat. Into the next stitch, single crochet. Next stitch, repeat. And then into the next one, a single crochet. Yarn over into the next one, yarn over into the same one, 5 loops on the hook and close all together, and then into the next stitch a single crochet. And we keep repeating the same steps all the way. And don't forget that we have to make a single crochet into this last chain. We go in and then work that single crochet into there, and then for next row we repeat the row number 1. So we chain 1 and turn the work into the first stitch. We always make a single crochet and then chain 2. That is the first double crochet. Yarn over and then we grab the back loop only and make a double crochet. For next stitch, back loop only and double crochet. Next stitch, back loop only and double crochet. So we are going to be repeating these 2 rows all the way until you finish your project. And once you make more rows, you are going to have this final result. It's a very beautiful stitch, as you can see, and it's perfect for a baby blanket. Anything you decide to crochet with this stitch is going to be very cute and beautiful. And it's very easy to make. As you can see, it's only repeating 2 rows. I hope you like this tutorial, and if you do, please don't forget to thumbs up this video and comment something nice. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you can come back soon for another tutorial, and God bless all of you, and see you in my next video. Bye.